Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to add social events on your IRL calendar. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, be sure you've installed the app on your phone and you are logged into your account. If you don't know how to log into your account, you can check our other videos. I've shown you how to log into your account as well. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Let's start it. First of all, open the app on your phone. So this is the home page of the app. On the home page you can see the blue plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So yeah, let's tap on that. Then you will see this menu on your screen. At the top you can see the new event option right below the new group option. So tap on that option and you'll be able to add events. On this page you can write the topic for your event, whatever event you're going to organize. You can even see the suggestions right here: listening party, Among Us, Netflix party, and so on. I'll just choose the Netflix party for now. You can also create your own topic. So yeah, I'll just choose Netflix party. And on this page right here you can choose the date, time, and whoever friend you want to add to the event. To add the date, tap on the calendar icon, and from here you can choose any date you want to. Choosing the date is also quite easy. You simply have to tap on the day when you want to organize the event. So I'll just choose 31. Also, you can set the event for all day long. That means you do not have to choose the time and the event will be repeated for a whole day. To turn the all day feature on, simply swipe the toggle button to the right and the plan will be repeated for a whole day. Just like this. Now, if you want to set the date and time, tap on the blue set date and time option at the bottom of the screen. And you'll be directed to another page, which is this. You can also add people to your events with this add people option. Here's a list of your contacts. You can add whoever you want to. I'll just go back for now. You can turn on the event chat using this toggle button. Swipe the toggle button to the right and people will be allowed to chat. Your guests will be allowed to meet, share, and connect. Also, you can add location and some website URL where you want to host the event. It is really easy to use. Now, after you're done fixing all the features, tap on the add event option at the bottom of the screen and wait for it to load. From this list, you can add people to your events. I'll just close this tab for now. You can add if you want to. As this is a tutorial, I won't be adding anyone. So I'll just close this. And yes, we've added the event to our calendar. You can tap on the go to chat option and start connecting with the members. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.